chapter 5. All of you open your book, page number 118, 118. You know what is the name of the chapter? Chapter name is Symmetry, Patterns and Nets. Once more, the chapter is 3 parts are there. First part is symmetry, then patterns and nets. First I am going to explain about symmetry. I think in 4th class also we studied about symmetry, no? Symmetry means any figure or shape divided into two equal parts. It is called symmetry. For example, look, this is the capital letter B. Capital letter B. So if you are dividing both, it is, can you divide like that? No, we cannot divide like that. So we can divide the symmetry like that in both way. Teacher made here little small. So now look here, equal parts. So this line is called symmetrical lines. Always we are using symmetrical line, dotted line. You should use dotted lines, symmetrical lines. Once more, what do you mean by symmetry? Symmetry means any figure or shapes divided into two equal parts. So it is called symmetry. Then what is the name of this line? It is called symmetrical lines. Symmetrical lines, always you have to use, what is the name of this line? Dotted line, symmetrical line. Now look, capital letter A. How to do make the equal parts? If you are dividing like that, no, it is not symmetrical line. Why? Both parts are not equal. Now this is the horizontal line, this is the vertical line. Now look here, students, both sides is equal, no? So now this line is called symmetrical line and this shape has symmetrical shapes. But some figures did not have the symmetry. For example, look, capital letter P. How to divide equal shapes? No, we cannot divide it is equal shapes. If you are dividing, both parts are not equal. If symmetry means both parts should be equal. There is no symmetry. Some figures have no symmetry, some figures have more than one line of symmetry. For example, yes, look students, it is a square. While you are drawing the symmetrical line, you should use the scale and you have to use. Now you can make like that, no? It is a symmetric line. If you can draw like that, it is also a symmetry. So if we can draw like that, it is also a symmetrical line. So you can draw like that, it is also a symmetrical line. That means some figures have more than one line of symmetry. Some figures do not have any symmetry. Some figures have only one line of symmetry. All the students understood what is meant by symmetry? Once more, symmetry means any figures divided into two equal parts. It is called symmetry. For example, circle. I drawn the small circle. Yes, look here. Big circle. How many symmetrical lines we can draw? So we can show many symmetrical lines. So it is a symmetry like that. All the way you can show symmetrical lines. Now look here, capital letter H. Capital letter H. Can you say how many symmetrical lines you can draw? Now look here, this is the one line of symmetry because both sides are equal. This is so another line of symmetry. So this here, how many lines of symmetry we draw? 2 lines of symmetry. Like that, some figures have no symmetrical lines, some figures have one line of symmetry, some figures have do not any line of symmetry. Once more, understood know what you mean symmetry? Now we are going to start the exercise. Yes. Look the exercise 5.1, page number 190. exercise 5.1. These all the exercise students you can do in the book only. No need to write in the CW, just for you understand what you mean by symmetry. Then look, 2-3 figures are given. You have to draw the symmetry line. Question number 1. It is drawn like that. Diamond shape. Draw the line of symmetry. Find the number of line of symmetry. This is the one line of symmetry. It is another line of symmetry. Then you can draw like that. Understood? No? Easy way, no? So like that, 2 more questions. You have to use some one star is given. So you think it has no line of symmetry. Then 2 and 3 you have to do in the practice in the book only. Now question number 2 also, draw the line of symmetry, and that you can very easy you can make the line of symmetry. Some rectangle figure is given, so you can draw like that line of symmetry, then middle 2, then here. So how many lines of symmetry you can make, you have to draw in the book only. Now I told you, if you understand what is the meaning of symmetry, very easy you can draw. Don't forget, you should use the pencil and scale. Always use the dotted line for symmetrical line. And look, question number C, complete the figure treating the dotted lines. For example, question number C teacher is showing there. Question number C, first one. Here one rectangle shape is written, and here it is written half part. What is written, students? Half part. Like that it is written there, half part. That means this is the symmetric line. So here half part you have to draw. Then like that it is drawn here. Look here. Yes. I think you know how to draw very neat and clean, no? So these remaining half parts, one figure it is drawn the half part. How to draw here? So remaining parts you have to draw like that, equal size. Like that you have to draw. Then you should draw like that. Then from here, now this figure is completed. Middle it is given the dotted line. All of you understood now? So then 2 question, one flower is given, one capital letter H is given. So middle one dotted line is there. So you have to draw like that the remaining half parts. Understood now? Very easy now? Symmetry. Okay, now I am going to explain about our symmetry is over. Now we are going to study about patterns. I told you this lesson how 3 parts, symmetry, patterns and nets. Now symmetries we completed. Now pattern. Pattern means, before explaining patterns, I would explain about the rotation of. Look, everybody knows what is 6 I drawn here. 2 clocks are there. 6, 9, 3. Here 12, 6, 9, 3. Know how the clocks, the needles are rotating. Our hand and minute, how it is rotating. It is rotating, for example, it is our hand, it is minute hand. It is rotating like that way. It is rotating in like that way. It is called clockwise direction. Any figure, it is rotating like that, rounding. With this method, it is called clockwise direction. If it is rotating, clock always rotating like that, it is rotating. It is called clockwise direction. If it is rotating opposite sides, it is called anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. It is called clockwise direction. Clockwise direction. And opposite side it is rotating, it is called anti-clockwise direction. Look here, it is rotating like that, clockwise direction. If it is rotating like that, it is called anti-clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. Any figure, for example, look here. If it is figure, if it is rotating from like that, it is full completed. If anything is rotating full circle, it is 360 degree. How many degree one circle full, students? 360 degree. If it is rotating from here to here only, this part is called quarter of rotation. That means 1/4. If it is rotating quarter, 1/4 of 360, you know what is the name of this angle, students? It is a right angle 90 degree. If one full rotation means one full circle. Rotation means one full circle. If it is full completing from here to start, if it is completing here, it is completed 360. If you are standing, then you are rotating full. How many degree you are rotating? 360 degree. Then if you are rotating only from here to here, it is called quarter rotation. Quarter. Quarter means from here to here. 1/4. 1/4 means what is another name? Quarter. That means 90 degree. Again from here to here. If it is rotating direct from to here to here, it is half rotation. What is it, students? Half rotation. That means 180 degree. Here again it is also 90. Here 90. It is also 90. 90. 4 9s are 36. 360 degree. Now look here. This one. If the question is these dots rotate quarter, that means it will come, these dots will like that. From here to it will come here. Quarter means 90 degree. Then if the question is it rotate half, yes, half means just opposite, ulta ho jayenge. So this will rotate from here to here. Understood now, students? Quarter means 1/4. Quarter means 1/4. 90 degree rotating. If it is rotating half, half means just opposite, it coming rotating from here to here. If it is again half, so these dots will go from here to here. Rotating. But now I am explaining about how it is rotating in. Teacher is drawn here one figure. So first question is complete this pattern to 1/4 rotation. 1/4 10. So this dot will come up to here. So how to draw? You have to draw the same figure like that, and it will have to rotate from this one. It will come here. This is the 1/4 rotation. If again rotate again this figure to 1/4, so this dot again it is rotating and it will come here. Rotating first 1/4 from here to here, again 1/4 from here to here. Otherwise, if the question rotate it half 10, half means from here to here, this dot will come here. Understood now? First, any figure is rotating means this is the clockwise rotating. Clockwise rotating from us to here to here, quarter, again here to here, quarter, again here to here, quarter, again here to here, quarter. That means one full circle. How many quarters are there? 4. First quarter from here to here, second quarter here to here, third quarter here to here, fourth quarter from full circle. If direct question is 10 half, half means direct, it will come here. Yes, now look the students, exercise 5.2, complete the pattern. Here this shape is given. First you have to 10, 1/4. 1/4 means quarter. So this plain figure will come here. This will move to here. How to show here? All the students look here. First you have to draw the shapes like that. Yes. Teacher is drawn the same shapes here. In the book it is written there pink and two yellow colors. This is the pink color and the yellow color. Teacher is drawn different shapes. Now it is 1/4 10. Can you say first? This plane figure will come here. So this plane will come here and this will move to here. So look here, this is the plane and this is the shaded part. So how can you say this one? So this one move to here. So it will come, the shape is like that. Understood now? So this is the plane, this plane figure move here. Again this figure rotate. Again this figure rotate. So this will move to here. So look here, it will move to here and this one, this plane figure will be, look here, this figure will move here and this one move to above. Now again it is 1/4 10. Again it is 1/4 10. This plane will come here. So this one will come just opposite here. Yes. First, this is the shape 1/4 10. So just opposite you have to write down. Understood now? First 1/4 10. 1/4 10 means quarter. Now look here, the second and third, fourth is easy. For example, one more figure is written there like that. It is the question number 4th. This shape. Can you say how it will come 1/4 10? It will come like that. It will come like that in 1/4 10. Again it is 1/4 10. So it will come like that. Again 1/4 10. So it will come like that. Understood now? This is given a shape 1/4 10. 1/4 means quarter. Again this figure will be 1/4. Again 1/4. Now remaining two, teacher showed remaining two you have to. Question number B, page number 122. Give the shape of half 10. In previous question we studied about quarter 10. Half 10 means it is coming the just opposites. ऊपर वाला नीचे आते, नीचे वाला ऊपर. तो that means same, this figure is same like. So how will come half 10? How to draw? It will come like that. Same figure is in the half 10. Now this one how to come half 10? This point will come ऊपर, ये वाला नीचे आ जाएंगे. Half means full, पूरा आधा रोटेट होते. So how to draw the half 10? How to draw? Look here. This is the half 10, just opposite. Understood now? So now question number C. I will also see also what will come the next. I think you can practice in the book only. So students, remaining question we will do in the next class. Okay, bye.